How to add a Snapchat best friend you accidentally removed or blocked. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Did you accidentally remove or block one of your Snapchat best friends and want to fix it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to re-add them step by step. So let's get started. First, let's figure out if you removed or blocked the person. Here's how to do it. Open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Go to My Friends, and if their name isn't listed, you have probably removed them. To check if they are blocked, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy Controls and go to Blocked and see if the name appears. If you have blocked them, here's how to unblock them. Tap on Blocked in your Snapchat settings and find their name in the list. Tap the X next to their name to unblock them. Once unblocked, you will need to re-add them manually. Go to the search bar at the top of the Snapchat and type in their username or name. And tap the Add button next to their profile. Unfortunately, re-adding someone won't instantly bring back the best friend status. To regain it, start chatting with them regularly and exchange snaps frequently. Snapchat's algorithm will soon recognize your interaction and they will appear as a best friend again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can re-add your Snapchat best friend and work on regaining that best friend status. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.